Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a health bar in Unity.
First, we need a canvas to host our UI elements. Right-click in the hierarchy, go to UI and select Canvas. Inside the canvas, we will create two image objects to form the basis of our health bar. Right-click the canvas UI image. Let's name this one Health Bar Background. This is where the magic happens. Select the Health Bar Fill object and look at the inspector panel. Select Health Bar Fill. The key setting here is changing the image type from simple to filled. Set the fill method to horizontal and the fill origin to left. If you manually adjust the fill amount value below, you can see the bar filling and emptying from left to right. I've already created complete stamina bar and a mana bar UI. If you want, you can access this project for free on Patreon and customize these parts according to your game. Let's create a C# script called Health Bar Manager. You can attach this script to the canvas or an empty game object. First, we define our variables: current, health, max health, and the public variable health fill image, where we will link our fill element. Let's add the take damage function. It subtracts damage, ensures health doesn't drop below 0, and we add after UpdateHealthBar Function. Next is our core function, UpdateHealthBar. This function calculates a fill ratio, or a percentage between 0 and 1, by dividing current health by max health. We then assign this ratio directly to the fill amount property of our health fill image. This is how the UI visually updates. Back in Unity, select the object with your script. Drag the Health Bar Fill object from the hierarchy into the Health Fill image slot in the inspector. To test, I've added simple controls. Pressing space will make our character take damage. Now let's add Health System. Actually, you now have a fully functional dynamic health bar. This basic setup is a fantastic starting point for any project. Final working health bar is shown. If you want to make it look even better, try adding the mathflurp function we discussed to smooth out those health transitions. Let's hit play. You can see that as I press space, the bar depletes, and when I press Q, it fills back up. If this tutorial helped you, please like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching.